Okay, good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good
Navneet,
morning, ma'am.
Anjali, Eva, Fisan, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Devasena, Gautam, Atulya, Lena. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, that 15th question we did not complete last day, so we will complete it now. I think the question is with you, isn't it? In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to half BC. Prove that 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Question you wrote, isn't it? Did we write the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will. And did you start writing answers? I think no, isn't it? Okay, anyway, I will explain it once again. If you did not write, we will do it now, okay?
Maybe you only completed few by the time class ended.
Okay. Once again, I will explain, okay? See, it's a 5-mark question. 5 or 4 sometimes. No, 4 mark is not there, so it will be 5-mark question. Okay. In any sometimes this chapter will be there for MCQ question paper. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, we will complete and after completing the portion before your MCQ, I will give practice on MCQ and case study questions also will be there for MCQ. So we have to practice that also. Okay, no problem. You study whatever we are teaching daily study daily portions. Okay, otherwise it will be very difficult for you because we have only some, this is July, no, August, September, October. November, second week exam will start. Okay, only 3 months. Okay, so in an equilateral triangle ABC, equilateral triangle ABC, A, B, C, D is any point on side BC such that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. Given that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC, 1/3 of BC is BD, then prove that 9AD square, 9AD square. So we have to draw AD. 9AD square equal to 7AB square. 7AB square. Okay. This is an equilateral triangle. AD is only just a line joining A and D. It's not a altitude. So for proving this problem, first of all, we have a construction. We will construct an altitude. Let it be P. Altitude P. Okay. So we have to prove is 9AD square equal to 7AB square and construction draw AP perpendicular to BC. AP perpendicular to BC. Since it is an equilateral triangle, we know all the sides are equal. Now we will try to prove this ADP and APC are congruent. We can prove that they are congruent. How can we prove triangle? To prove triangle APB congruent to triangle APC. What are the reasons? Say one by one. It is an equilateral triangle. So, how can we prove APB and APC are congruent?
AB is equal to AC.
AB equal to AC. Good. AB equal to AC because sides of equilateral triangle, isn't it? Sides of equilateral triangle, and those sides are, these two are hypotenuse, and they are all the hypotenuse. They are the hypotenuse. Then
AP equal to AP.
AP equal to AP common. AP equal to AP. Then so by RHS, hypotenuse are equal and one more side. Then we can apply RHS congruence rule. AP equal to AP common side. So therefore, triangle APB congruent to triangle APC by RHS congruence criteria. By RHS congruence criteria. Okay, all of you now listen to the board. Here in this right angle triangle, we know in this equilateral triangle, we draw a altitude AP, and we prove these two sides are these two small triangles, right triangles, APB and APC are congruent. Okay, so we can write, since they are congruent, we can write BP equal to BP equal to PC, CPCT. Okay, see, listen all of you, listen. When we are doing MCQ questions or 1 mark questions, this you can take as a result. No need to prove the congruence there. You can write, since it's an equilateral triangle, the altitude divide it into two congruent triangles. You can just take it as a result. No need of proving again this congruence if it is a 1 mark question or 2 mark question. You can directly write, since it is an equilateral triangle. So for an equilateral triangle, altitude divide it into two congruent triangles. So that you can take a BP equal to PC at a stretch you can take. No need of proving it. But if it is a 3 mark or 5 mark question, you have to prove. Is it clear? So if an equilateral triangle comes for an MCQ question, if you want to find some sides or angles or any other result, if you draw a perpendicular, draw an altitude and take altitude divide the base BC. Altitude divides this side into two equal parts. Okay, because altitude divide an equilateral triangle into two congruent triangles. You can take it as a result, no need of proving that. Okay. Okay, now we will come to our point. We have two right triangles, APB and APC. So consider APB first. In triangle APB, apply Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle APB, apply Pythagoras theorem. We can write what? AB square equal to
AP square plus BP square.
AB square equal to AP square plus BP square. Then equation number 1, take it, write it as equation number 1. In right triangle APC, we can write, no. Okay, no, we are taking APD, okay, because APD, these two right triangles, APB and APD. APD, what can we write? Because in the answer we need AD and AB, no? Look at the question. Answer we need AD square and AB square. So we are taking APB and APD. What can we write in triangle APD?
AD square
AD square equal to
AP square plus
AP square plus DP square. AP square plus DP square, equation number 2. Now equation 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. AB square AB square minus AD square. 1 minus 2. AB square minus AD square equal to AP square plus BP square minus AP square plus dp square ap square plus bp square minus ap square minus dp the square ap square cancel bp square bp square minus dp square. So ab square equal to, we can write ad square plus bp square minus dp square. Ad we are taking to right side. But BP is half. What we got? BP and PC are equal. BP we can write half BC. So this is equal to AD square plus BC by 2 the whole square minus DP square. Reason BC equal to half BC. No, BP equal to half BC. BP equal to half BC. Half BC. And in figure, BP is the row. BP equal to half BC and DP is the DP. DP we can write BP minus BD. Check. AD square plus BC by 2 whole square minus, see, DP. All of you look at the figure. DP equal to BP minus BP minus BP minus BP minus DP is BP minus. Look at the figure and say DP is BP minus what?
BD.
BD, BP minus BD, the whole square, DP square no. In bracket you can write DP equal to BP minus BD. BP minus BD. The whole square is there. So BP minus BD the whole square. That is equal to AD square plus BC by 2 the whole square. BC by 2 the whole square. BC by 2 the whole square minus BP minus BD the whole square can be written as A minus B whole square form plus BD square minus 2 BP into BD. This is equal to AD square plus BC by 2 the whole square minus BP square. BP we can write half BC. BP is again, or one more step. 2 into BP into BD. Now we will change BP and BD in terms of BC. So this is equal to AD square plus BC by 2 the whole square minus, again BP we can write BC by 2. BC by 2 minus BC by 2 whole square. BD is given in the question. What is BD? Read the question. BD is, the question it is given
1 by 3 BC.
1 by 3 BC or BC by 3. BC by 3 whole square plus 2 into BP is BC by 2, BD is BC by 3. Given BD equal to BC by 3 given. Now everything in terms of BC, we can simplify that. This is equal to AD. AD we want, so no need to change the answer. We need AD plus BC square by 4. BC square by 4. Here this BC by 2 and BC by 2 we can cancel. So cancel that these two terms plus BC by 2 the whole square and BC by 2 the whole square we can cancel. Okay. Now this term is minus AD square minus BC square by 9 plus 2 BC square by 6. So LCM we can take as 9. So AD square minus BC square plus, if it is 9, it won't, okay. If we multiply by 9 here, 3. Here it is 3, here it is 2. So 3 BC square. 2 BC square by 9. BC square plus 9 into 2 BC square by 9. So by 6. So what will happen? Here 3. Here 3 twice. So BC square by 9. Did we make any mistake anywhere? No, 2 we can cancel. Sorry, this 2 we are cancelling. That's why. Okay, so it is AD square minus BC square by 9. 2 get cancelled. So only BC square by 3 only. Okay, so this is equal to AD square minus BC square plus, if we multiply by 9, 3 BC square whole by 9. Only for BC, that division. Divided by 9 is only for BCs. So it is AD square plus 2BC square by 9. Right side it is AB square. AD square plus 2BC square by 9. Answer. In answer we have, did we have BC? BC is there in the answer?
No, ma'am.
No.
No. So we have to eliminate BC. How can we change BC? We need only AB and AD in answer. So we don't want BC there. Think, how can we change BC from that? Is there any option for that? We need only AB and AD. Can we change BC somehow? All of you think, how can we change BC? We
By
need
B-
all. Yes?
By BC.
How by BC? Simply we can write by BC. So if we divide by throughout by BC, left side BC will come by in the denominator. Left side denominator BC will come. If we divide throughout by BC, right side it will go, but left side it will come. Must say, very simple question this is. How can we need AB and AD only. BC we can change somehow. Either you can instead of BC you can introduce AD or AB. Because in the question there is only AD and AB. BC is not there. So how can we replace BC? Look at the figure, and is there any option to replace BC?
And with AB.
Yes, with AB, because AB and BC are equal. AB equal to BC, it is an equilateral triangle. So instead of BC, we can write AB. So AD square plus 2AB square by 9. Reason is AB and BC are equal. It is an equilateral triangle. This side also AB square. So here we are taking 9AD square plus 2AB square whole by 9. Cross multiplying to the left side, we get 9AB square equal to 9AD square plus 2AB square, which gives 9AB square minus 2AB square equal to 9AD square. So 7AB square equal to 9. 7AB square equal to 9AD square, or 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Our class is up to 10. 10? 10. Okay, thank you. Okay, copied. Can I change this? Over all of you? Okay, write a question. We will do some MCQ questions, 1 mark type questions. Okay, right? Draw a figure. A figure is given. Draw a figure A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, and D, E. This is D, E. Here it is 1.5 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Question, find EC. Find EC. Using which theorem can we use this? Do you remember this figure?
By BPT.
BPT, good, by BPT. BPT says AD by DB equal to AE by EC. BPT. Children, I have sent some questions from polynomials, MCQ questions, isn't it? Did you try those questions? 10 questions I sent, isn't it? Did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and there is a change. There is a change. That's why I didn't send yesterday. See, Joseph sir given a message that you have MCQ tests from June and July portions. So I think me and Uma ma'am decide we can take polynomials, AP and triangles. But because so then it will be a change. Sir told we can take chapters June, July chapters. So polynomials we took for April, month of April or maybe took. So for MCQ the portions are quadratic, AP, triangles. MCQ portions are. So try this question, triangle, find DC. Here we have by BPT, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD is given 1.5, DB is 3, AE is 1. Find DC, all of you. Find EC equal to This is year 2015 question. Is equal to how much it is? Easy. Hmm? What is the value? You didn't get? Easy.
Ma'am, 2.
2 is equal to 2. M N P. M N P. Next one. Next figure. 46 is also 46. 46 degree. 40, both are 46. 46 degree. This length is A. This length is X. And Mn is B. Mn is B. Nk is C. Nk is C. Question, find the value of X. Find X. Find X. Draw the figure. Both angles are 46 degree. Find X. Here these angles, they are given 46 degree, which means what? What about NP and ML? They are given, both the angles are 46. So we can say MP and ML are
Parallel.
parallel. Yes, good. They are parallel. Okay, then we can apply BPT. Okay, so you can write since LMN equal to angle LMN. LMN equal to angle PNK equal to 46 degree. If it is 46, any degree, since they are equal, we can say that ML and NP are parallel. No, 10. Parallel. Are parallel. ML and NP are parallel. Okay. So here we can apply what? In the triangle LMN. LMN we can apply what? We can apply? See? Just turn your book and think. We can apply what here? LMK and LM and PN are parallel. So can we apply anything here? Just turn your book and check. I can't turn the board. You just turn your book to the left side as LM as base.
Theorem.
Which theorem? Which
I.
theorem? BPT, you turn your book so that LM can be a base. Turn your book, all of you, as LM as base. Then we can apply BPT, no? LM and PN are parallel. LM and PN are parallel. Then two sides are given. Okay, this PK is not given. Okay. So BPP to apply BPT, we need either this PK or PL. So it is not given. Okay, so we can't apply BPT here. They are BPT, okay, but any one of the side we need. So we will use criteria, we will prove similarities. Okay. Parallel, ML parallel to, ML is parallel to NP. Okay, but that is no use. Okay. Anyway, we will try to prove the similarity of these two triangles, K and P, the small triangle and the whole triangle. All of you try whether can we prove similarity. To prove similarity, on KNP, triangle KNP and triangle KML. All of you try whether can we prove KNP and KML are similar or not. KNP, then whole triangle. Can we prove similarity? Is any criteria can we apply to prove the similarity? AA, but how? How AA?
Angle K.
Angle K is common. Angle K equal to angle K, common angle.
Then the angle L.
The given angles, yes. Then the given angles are equal. That is angle LMN equal to angle PNK, given. So by AA similarity, those two triangles are similar. Okay, so we can say triangle KNP similar to triangle KML. KNP similar to triangle KML. Okay. If they are similar, we can say what? Similarity. If two triangles similar, their sides are, we have to find the sides. Here we are finding the sides. X we need to find.
Switch on your videos.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Children say good morning to sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, sir. Okay, we need to find X. And we prove K and P similar to KML. So, how can we find X? These two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, sides are proportional. Same ratio, correct. That also correct. Sides are proportional. So what can we write here? K and P similar to KML. KML proportional to similar to K and P. So, Srihari, sides are proportional, you said. So, Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
If these two triangles are similar, we know that the sides are proportional. And we need to find the value of X. So, what can we write here? If the sides are proportional, we can write what? That you can say no. Leave X. Leave finding the value of X, all that you leave it. If sides are proportional, what can we write? Say that. Only that. Look at K and P similar to KML. So, how can we explain?
D and P.
KN, which one? K, say KN. KN.
KN.
By
N.
K N അല്ല. KN by
KN by KP.
KN by KP.
Ma'am,
KN.
KN by
KN. KN by KN by
KN.
KM. KN by KM. Side corresponding to KN is KM. KN by KM. KN by KM equal to
KP by
KP by
KL.
KL. Then KP by KL. Then what is the next side? KL you said, KP you said. Then what is the next side in the first triangle?
MP.
MP. M is there in KNP. You can't see KNP. So which is the next side? NP. NP by ML. NP by ML. I will give some more example. Leave it this question. See, we have two triangles, PQR and EFG. Okay. Suppose these two triangle PQR similar to triangle EFG. Raya, if these two triangles are similar, we can say their sides are Raya, sides are, if triangles are similar, we can say sides are complete dash. Proportional. Sides are proportional. Now give that how that proportionality can be expressed. Raya? PQ by EF. PQ by EF. Correct. Then EF.
PR by EG.
PR by EG. PR by EG equal to
QR by FG.
QR by FG. Okay. See children, if a question comes to find the sides of similar triangles, first of all you write in two similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, you can write the sides are proportional. And after that you write these three ratios. Okay. Then substitute what are given in the question. Okay. This step is a sure question. Okay, so if the question it will be given these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar and the question is to find the sides or about to find some sides of the triangle, you have to write, since the triangles are similar, the sides are Anjali are proportional. Okay, after that you write those ratios. Okay, one more example I'll give. Eva. Are you Eva, see, given that these two triangles are similar, triangle X, Y, Z and A, B, C. So triangle XYZ similar to triangle ABC.
Don't switch off your videos. Don't switch off the videos. Many have switched off. Vishnu, Shaji, Maria. Why do you get into the habit of switching off?
Okay. Okay, wow. XYZ is similar to triangle ABC. So, since XYZ similar to triangle XYZ similar to triangle ABC, we can say that triangles are, the sides are, Eva, sides are, say, Side. Huh? Louder. Eva.
Yes, ma'am.
Sides are
Proportional.
proportional. Good. Sides are proportional. Now say what are the ratios? Eva. From this x, y, z and a, b, c we can write. Sides are proportional. Then what can we write? Give that ratios. Eva.
X.
Louder, Eva. We can't hear you properly. Eva.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the ratios. Yes, Eva, say. Which are the ratios? Since the sides are proportional, we have
X.
x,
Y.
x, y, x, y, x, y. It is x, y. X, y by, which is the side corresponding to x, y in triangle ABC. Here x, y. So here
AB.
AB, x, y by AB equal to next side
XZ.
xz or yz also you can say, no problem, no need of xz. Yz, if it is yz, which is the side corresponding BC, good. BC equal to next one is
Z and X.
xz or zx. Okay, xz divided by
AC.
AC. Good. Okay. So now we will come to a problem. Okay. So here we have triangle KNKM by triangle KNP similar to triangle KML. Okay. And Kn by Km equal to Kp by Kl equal to Np by Ml. And what are given? Look at your figure. Kn is given. Kn is length Kn.
C.
C divided by Km.
B.
Km is B. Is it B Km? No. Look at the figure. Where is the figure? Km.
C plus B.
C plus B, yes. Mn is B and NKC. So total Km is B plus C. So it is B plus C equal to Kp. Kp is not given. So we will take first and last. Np is given. Np
MX.
x, that we need to find value of x, divided by ml.
A.
Ml is A. Now you can find the value of x. Okay. We will take Kn by Km equal to Np by Ml. Gives Kn is C. Km is the total length. Okay. B plus C equal to x by A. Find x. This is a question from 2017 board question. Okay. So cross multiply and find x. AC equal to x into B plus C. So x equal to AC by B plus C. Okay. 10B attendance, please.